Hey baby dolls, welcome to my kitchen. I am your host Monique, aka Modiva38, and this video is for my baby dolls that are in college. Some of you may be living in dorm rooms, or you may be living in, small apartments, and you just don't have everything that you really need to have like a full-fledged kitchen. Even those baby dolls that are living in extended stay hotels, you're kind of in between housing, or you're possibly living in an Airbnb and you don't want to do a whole lot of cooking. I have something that you are really going to love. I want to share this with you. It's a roaster. And so you can get these at any kind of outlet stores, or even Walmart has them, Target has them, and especially with Black Friday coming up, these you can probably get for about $15 or $20. And so I want to show you what you can do, what you can create in just one simple roasting pot, okay? So here I have some neck bones. I've got some corn, carrots, and green beans. And of course, I've seasoned everything up, and everything is going to taste so good. And this is what's going to be for dinner tonight. And so as you see, you can just put everything in this roaster. My mouth is watering, girl. And so when you're cooking like this, just make sure that you're just stirring everything. Make sure that everything gets nicely covered with all those lovely fine juices. And it's a really good way to save space, time, and everything is in one pot. So you don't need Hello Fresh, girl. Just go to the grocery store, okay? Get your ingredients that you want, be it chicken or steak or roast or whatever. Put it all in one pot in your roaster. And you're winning, girl. So I hope that this helps y'all. I love you, but God loves you so much more. Remember that pretty as pretty does, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.